Hello, Brownie. You know, sometimes in life, you wonder where the heck those bell sounds are coming from, but, you know, a lot of other stuff could happen. And
Now uploading.
And see, hear those bell sounds. See,
They're music to my ears.
and then there's that wild dino in the back. So yeah, quick update. Bye.